Speaking to the ABS at his palace in Nteje, Igwe Odegbo said the move by Anambra has shown that they know what they want and can define their fate. He described the victory as a demonstration of their love for what Governor Willoughby is doing in the state through provision of road infrastructure, street light projects, and human capital development, among others. Igwe Odegbo advised those elected in their various constituencies to see their victories as a call for service and not an opportunity for them to divert public funds into their private pockets.
An affirmation of the good work that the governor of Anambra State has been doing in Anambra State. It shows that people of Anambra State can discern between one of their sons running for a national office and a good governance governor that is doing very well in the state. So I'm very happy, I'm excited. I feel like dancing.
On his part, the national president, Anambra State Association of Town Unions, Chief Alex Onukwe, said that it is only in Anambra State that people can speak loudly with one voice, noting that their unanimous statement is a welcome development.
It was peaceful. It was not necessarily peaceful. The people of Anambra State went out en masse to do this civic duty, and I think it is one thing we have to thank God for. And I'm also thanking the people of Anambra State, for taking it as a duty to go out and vote, and they voted and their votes counted.
Okay. Also, the APGA Vice Chairman for Anambra North Senatorial District, Chief Chinedu Nnatuanya, who expressed profound gratitude to Anambra for putting their trust in the party, added that APGA has not and will not disappoint them in terms of efficient delivery.
We are delighted. It shows the acceptability of APGA in Anambra. I've always known that people of Anambra knows what they want. APGA is what Anambra people want. They can never forget in a hurry what APGA has done for the state, the security, the road network. You can go on and on and on.
In Oka, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.